again, first grade. I'm not really sure how my video camera is working up in this corner, but you can ignore me. This is our lesson 2. This is the short I. Short I says eh, like the word igloo. Igloo. Sometimes I'm like inchworm, and this is the I in sign language. This is how we read words with short I in the middle. We're going to stretch them out. So we start with the first letter. We go, make the sound of the letter. And then we're going to do the last letter. That was the middle sound. And we're going to try to sing it kind of all together. Instead of separating it like we chomp it out, I really want us to try stretching these words out. And we're going to try that. It's a little different than how I usually do it in class and how I did it in the last video. I'm wondering if this will help you a little more. So let's try to stretch it out and string them together. Is, his. So we can do it 3 times. Okay, we can decode it, say the sounds 3 times, and read it the 3rd time. Say it 2 times, read it the 3rd. Let's see if we can do that with this first row. If not, you can pause the video and say the sound of each letter and then read the word. Remember, I'll go back and read it the fast way after we're done. Let's look at number 1, this row. Is, rip, rip. Is, his. And look at that. I see this is the word is. It's a sight word and we can sort of sound it out. Sometimes S says Z, makes it sound. And watch, the word is and it's inside of the word his. So if I can read is, I can read his. We find a lot of little words inside big words, so it helps you read those. Is, rip, his. Now let's try this one. As, has. Rat, rat. See how I string them together? We're singing them together. Let's try row 2. Ip, hip. An, fan. An, ran. Him. Ap, rap. Let's try row 3. If. See how we could chop it and blend it, but if your ears are struggling with that, we can really stretch it. Tan. Tim. As. Fit. Now we're going to go back and read these all 3 rows the fast way. That just means we read the whole word. Is, rip, his, has, rat. Look at the vowel sound. Look at that middle sound. Hip, fan, ran, him, rap, if, tan, Tim, as, fit. Now we're going to read these sentences. Pause the video and I want to see if you can read them by yourself. And then I'm going to read these sentences the fast way. Tad has his mat. 2. There's our sight word. 2, it's our word to know. It's in lots and lots of books, lots and lots of magazines, lots and lots of things you'll read. Second sentence, look at the rip in his bag. Look at the rip in his bag. And again, these underlined words are our words to know because they're found everywhere. look, the, and to. We cannot always sound those out. So, super readers, I want you to practice this a couple times if this felt hard. And if it felt easy, let's move on to the next video, part 2 of lesson 2. And we'll be reading a book for this. See you next time.